what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be filming a plan with me for the week of January 29th to February 4th. I'm going to be using this kit from Elleplans. It's a really old kit and I already have some stickers missing. There's this sheet, this sheet. I genuinely do not know the name of the kit because I've had it forever. And I haven't bought new kits in a while just because I'm trying to be smart and save money. I'm probably not going to be using the snowy washi because it's not snowing anymore here in Vancouver, but I do like some of these full boxes, so I might incorporate that. This is my first time planning a full week in this insert, and I don't really know how to do it because I don't really know what to do with this corner over here. Kind of thinking of saving it, maybe leaving it blank, but adding some decorative stuff just so that I can, I don't know, maybe have like a positive note at the end of the week for something that happened. I don't know, we'll see. This might be really long and rambly or super short and it might be left super blank. Let's find out. It's an adventure. Alright guys, so I decided to do a voiceover because when I actually started to plan, I realized I had absolutely no idea what I was doing and I was basically silent the entire time. So that wasn't fun. I decided to start out by putting down some headers, and I put down the numbers alongside of putting down the headers because I probably would have put the wrong numbers down with the wrong dates because that's just who I am as a person. I really like the color, and I swear I did not purposely match my nails with the color of purple that was used in this kit, which right now with the headers it doesn't look like it's matching, but with the I'll put like little icon circles, and with that it matches almost perfectly. It's kind of odd. Next, I used a flag from the kit as well as a coffee cup from Your Creative Studio to notify that I had to wake up early on Monday at 4:30 a.m. to be exact because I was going to be an extra in Riverdale, which is really exciting, but it was a really early call time and I wasn't excited about that. And then next, underneath that, I put down an important sticker with a laptop, also from the kit, as well as the two icons, and that purple icon is the one that I was talking about when I said it matched perfectly with my nails. Because usually when I'm on set, I mostly study, and I wanted to write down the two most important things I needed to focus on for that day. And then next, I put down a gray header with a dumbbell from Dahlia's Dainty Designs. Again, another Canadian designer, I guess, or another Canadian shop, to write down that I had kickboxing later that evening. And then on Tuesday, I put down this full box to notify that I had training, which is basically all that I was going to be doing on Tuesday, and you'll see I do the same thing on Wednesday. I used Simply Gilded washi to layer it, and this is from the Neutral set, and I really love it. And that right there, my friends, is a coaster because that was the closest thing I had. I didn't have any cards next to me, so I ended up using that coaster, but that's fine. It worked almost as good. I probably wouldn't use it next time because you'll notice on the left side it didn't help hold it perfectly and it ripped a little uneven. And I let it go this time, but next time I'll probably make sure I have something better around me. And as you can see, I really struggled lining that up, but I eventually got it. Next, I'm putting down a black study sticker from Once More with Love to notify that I probably had to study that day. And on Wednesday, I'm using the glitter strips from the kit as well as another full box because, again, I just had training all day on Wednesday for my new job. And then after that, I'm going to be putting down another dumbbell from Dahlia's Dainty Designs because I have kickboxing on Wednesdays as well. On Thursday, I layered this sticker that says tutorial that I just made for myself with a glitter header because that's the first thing I had on Thursday morning, and I didn't layer it perfectly because I kind of wanted the tutorial to kind of be on top, if that makes sense. And then next I put down this quarter box, but you're gonna see me later on try to rip it up, because I wish I had given myself a little bit more space between tutorial and that quarter box, and I do like a horrible job of trying to rip it up, and then I eventually just try to fix it. It's kind of horrendous, but you'll see that mess in a second. Next, I'm putting down these glitter headers with a half box to notify that I had swimming that evening, and I don't have any good swimming kits, so I put this emoji down from Helen's most popular stickers. Oh, there I go, ripping up that half box, and then I realized that that was a bad idea, and I nope the hell out of there. But it doesn't work because it's totally ripped up. If you can, I don't know if you can tell in the video. And then I also put down this study sticker, also from that Once More with Love sticker kit. I ended up leaving Friday blank, but now thinking about it, I actually do have a meeting at 6 p.m. on Friday, which is a horrendous time to have a meeting, but I have it then anyways. So I do need to go back and write that down. And then on Saturday, what I did is I took that neutral washi again and I layered it with the Weekend Better. And this was just to tie in because the only other place that I had used this neutral washi was on Tuesday, so I kind of wanted to bring more of that into the kit. And I do have an X-Acto knife, I just didn't have it with me at the time. It was somewhere else. I actually think it wasn't even in my house at that time, so I just used my scissors to slice them down. Next, I'm going to put some of the scenery stickers in that dotted grid area just to kind of balance out the fact that there was so much stickers in the top and none in the bottom. I put it down on the right side because my coaster, which I was using as a paperweight, left some marks. And it worked out quite nicely. Alright guys, this is my completed spread. I really only filled in Monday to Thursday just because Friday, Saturday, Sunday really is up in the air because I'm getting training on Tuesday, Wednesday, and I don't know if they're going to pull me in on the weekend. So I left that blank. I filled in the writing and I used my pen gems, which was a gift from one of my planner besties. So thank you so much to her. It was super thoughtful. I left my this week area blank because I think I'm going to fill in the exact timings that I go to work, such as for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Because I know you're supposed to keep track of that and I don't really, so I probably should start doing that. I didn't have 5 things to track, so I blocked the 2 down here using a bunch of stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with this area yet. I did put in kind of like this mini scene going on over here. Maybe I'll use this area to doodle throughout the week when I get bored, or I'll fill in like happy thoughts and memories, we'll see. And then I left my to-do list blank because I don't have anything running on from last week. I finished most of all of my readings and stuff like that, so I'm pretty good to go on that end. But yeah, I know it looks really empty. I don't like that it's like really heavy up here and then really empty everywhere else, but hopefully as the week progresses, I'll be able to stay on top of filling this in and everything will look good to go. Thanks so much for stopping by, and look for my updated spreads on my Instagram posts at YVRplans. Thanks guys, bye!